Hello everybody, welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. I'm Cameron and I'm here with my helper Kenny. How are we doing today?
Awesome.
Today we are changing a Coleman air conditioner because it just ran out of Freon. Nothing we can do about that. So let's get to it. Is the breaker cut off?
Should we do that first?
I think so.
Well, I'll tell people, because it's up here.
Well, he almost got me. We probably should cut the breaker off before we start doing stuff. Think we got it.
How do we know we got it?
Well, I turned the fan on, cut the breaker off, and it stopped. So then I'm gonna come and disconnect the power right here, and then get the free sensor wire. And then gotta disconnect everything to the control box.
I was really letting Cameron take the lead on this job as much as possible. I tried to interject as little as possible, but you really should change these wires from your old control box to your new control box one at a time. Don't touch anything else. Don't let them touch anything else, because what Cameron found out later was he let two of the wires touch and we popped a little 2-amp fuse in the thermostat. So that's a lesson better learned the hard way probably. I let him make the mistake. And we were changing this J box or control box just because we were doing a new air conditioner. I like to change the control box when we do a new air conditioner. Now, how do we know where those go back?
We wrote it down on the new J box.
Why did we do that? Why did we do that?
What did we do with?
Why did we write the color codes on the box?
Because they are different on this J box than on this one.
Oh, okay.
They are still labeled correctly, but it's just a little bit different.
Wow, you're so smart.
I am. Thank
I
you.
learned a lot from you. What are we gonna do next?
We're gonna take the J box. All right. Next thing to do is take the J box out. Just got 2 screws right here, and that should be it. And next we need to release the clamp bolts on the air conditioner and then take it off. Good, now let's see how loose it is. It's nice and loose. It's also a little bit wet.
Surprise!
Alright, let's go take it off.
Step is a single run. Last run, don't put that point.
Well, I decided it was about time Kenny learned to do stuff. So today we're gonna let him push it up the ladder.
Am I ready?
I think so.
Wow. You have that much
I hope
confidence.
so.
You have that much confidence in me.
Yes, I do.
Let's do it.
Got it.
I think I got it. Wow, that was hard, Cameron. You make it look so easy.
So look at that. He's going to be a great repairman one day.
I can only dream. I can dream. A man can dream.
My helper is up on the roof right now, and he is going to be centering the air conditioner as best as possible from down there, and I'll be giving him some directions, like go towards the front or go towards the back. Alright, that definitely needs to go towards the back. Just a little bit more. Alright, and then towards the shipping container. Yeah. Just take it a little bit more, maybe a 1/4 inch. Yeah, right there. That's awesome. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and get this 110 power down. Everything else should be right there, ready for the J-box to go up. Go ahead and get that unboxed. New free sensor. Good job, Kenny.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I need an ice cream. You think you could buy me an ice cream today?
I think so. I think we can make that happen.
Whee! That'd be awesome.
So we're just going to be trimming this panel because the new ring would not fit quite right. Okay, so right now we are putting some aluminum tape on the bottom of these 2 ducts where we cut the ceiling panel. Pretty good. Let's move to the other side. Alright, that should be good.
We're going to install the J-box next.
Yes.
What is the J-box?
That is the control box. That is...
Why don't they call it a control box?
J stands for junction box. Just where everything comes together. It's the controls for it. Alright, we got the upper unit plugged in, and while you guys were getting your memory card changed, I went ahead and put this stress relief on and put our wires through, and right now I'm putting the ground, and we'll go ground, neutral, and then the hot wire, so we don't light ourselves up.
That could be fun, huh?
Yeah, it could. Just do a little tug test on all the wires after you get your wire nuts on, and push that down in there. Go to our neutral, which is our white wire. Get that hooked up. Got our neutral down. Let's get the hot.
I might see where I could help you a little bit.
What?
If you want some help.
I do.
You do?
I would like some.
Here, you take the camera.
Alright. Oh, look at that.
I think that might be a little bit easier now.
Thank you, Kenny.
I have a good idea every now and then.
Yeah, every now and then.
Not very often, though. No.
Can't give him too much credit, guys.
I don't think they do, Cameron.
Alright, that's all good.
So what are you doing there?
Putting some electrical tape on the wire nuts. And another wise word from Kenny, he mentioned that you should wrap your electrical tape in the direction that your wire nut has been tightened, so that the tape is tightening, not loosening. I thought that That was pretty wise, Ken.
Thank you. I almost think maybe I should get a raise, you think?
I think you should. What do you guys think?
All right.
Put it down in the comments.
What, like maybe go to $6 an hour or something?
Yeah, not quite minimum wage.
That would be awesome.
Okay, now let's stuff all this down in here. Then we should be good to stick the cover back on. Just start with our two free sensors. They're labeled right here. There's no specific order for them. Just slap them on. And then we'll go ahead and put that up in there.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the free sensor in. And that typically goes to the right about 1 inch up.
Awesome.
And you want to kind of angle it down into the coils. Alright, let's hook the rest of our control wires up, and we're going to use our handy dandy box right here with all the labels on it. So let's see. B minus is going to be the blue. Then Y will be the red. Then GH should be the green. And then GL is going to be the last one, which is our white. That is everything that gets hooked up to the control box. So I'm just going to put this up there. There should be 2 studs up inside the unit. There's no good way to film that, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Well, we got the J-box in. Now we're going to test all our functions. These are the bolts for your clamp ring.
What's that do?
That clamps your air conditioner down to the roof.
Wow.
And for this, you just get them started up, probably 6 threads. Just get all 4 of them in. Then we'll run them up and tighten them from there.
Coleman actually puts a little plastic tab on their gasket right back here in each corner, and then when that plastic tab touches the roof, that's supposed to be good enough. You see all 4 of them? Cameron allowed me to figure out the air dam. Put that air dam up in there, figure out how tall it needs to be, and cut it off with your knife.
The foam side goes up.
The silver towards the cold.
Okay.
And then you have to put it up in there. Well, you have to kind of put it all the way up in there then, without tearing the foam off the end.
That's right at the edge of the duct.
Yep, it's going to be real close there.
Alright, we got the air dam up in there. Fits perfectly. Now we're just going to get this cover on.
Can't see the holes on their side.
Okay. Needs to go that way a little bit.
What's the purpose of the air dam?
So that the air goes into your ducts and goes throughout the camper.
Oh. Does it also keep the cold air and the return air from mixing?
Yep. Well, just gonna wrap this video up. All we got left to do is test it, and that's it. That's how to install a Coleman air conditioner. Thanks for helping, Kenny. You did a good job. Drop a comment below if you think he should get a pay raise. Well, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for dropping by.
See, camera, you always go the direction the nuts tighten.
Okay.
You don't put the tape on so it loosens. You put the tape on so it keeps it tight. Wouldn't it have been a lot easier to run a little bit of wire through there, maybe?
Maybe. Where's the fun in that?
How tight do you get those?
Isn't it about, once you compress the gasket, about a, I'm just full of surprises there.